Hey guys, it's Tyler from Reviews of Cool Stuff, and today we're looking at this. This is a Bugani indoor-outdoor speaker. I'm really excited about this one. So this is a speaker by Monster, and if you've been watching my videos, you've seen that I've reviewed a few Monster speakers lately because they're awesome. And this is no exception. I think this is probably the best speaker you can get right now for under $100, and it's way under $100. It's only $60 right now on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below, but it is a killer speaker. Now, they've had this speaker for 2-3 years, and it has evolved over time. It looks better now, so we've got this nice black rubberized finish on the outside, with the metal outside to make it a little more rugged, and then the cool nameplate here. With the woofers on the back, they're just right here, so you can see them. I love the black. It just looks so good. The buttons used to be orange here, and now they're black again. I think they look way better, but they've still got kind of, you've got the feel to them, so that's really cool. And then the nice little handle to carry it around. Now, this is a great speaker because it's light, it's easy to carry around, but it still packs a punch. It's not quite as beefy as the other speaker I reviewed for them, this Adventure Pack. This is a $300 speaker, and it's awesome, and its bass is amazing, and it can really thump. This is great for parties and stuff. This is more your everyday speaker. This is what I'm going to have in my workshop. This is going to be what I carry when I go on vacation, because I can just throw it in the car. And one thing that's really cool about this is it doubles as a power bank, and so this is really good for road trips for me, because then we have the music when we want it, when we're out on the beach or whatever, but then we can also plug in our phone here to charge it, so I can just plug my phone right into it and it will charge my phone. And then we've got a memory card slot and an auxiliary port. So pretty cool to have that here in the back. You probably want to listen to it, so let's put something on. I'll just play, I already have it synced with my phone, if I can find my phone, here we go. And we'll just go to YouTube's audio library, and let's do this first one. It's called High. This is going to give you some of the high end. So it's got 2 tweeters, 2 woofers, and here you can hear the tweeters on full display. Now you can hear the bass coming through there too, and it does have a pretty impressive bass for a speaker this size. Again, compared to the other Monster speakers, their bass is even better. The bass on this is incredible. The bass on, I just reviewed their Boomerang neckband, and the bass on that is phenomenal. This one, it's more, I would say better than average, but not off the charts good bass. The highs and the mids on this are better than I expected, having reviewed those other speakers. Really phenomenal. Let's do one more. We'll do We Are One. So We Are One on the YouTube library. This is the one I wanted to test the highs and the mids, so you'll hear that here. That's good. That gives you a good sense of where it's coming in. So, really great sound out of this. Impressive battery life. It's going to give you 24 hours, which is really great for a portable speaker. It is waterproof IPX6, so a little more water resistant than most speakers, which would be IXP5. So this one's a little more water resistant. Again, you don't want to go swimming with it, but it's going to be fine in the rain or the snow, or even sitting out in the snow. It's going to be fine. It's a rugged speaker, which is cool. It's really just awesome because it's so portable but sounds great. And I still can't believe it's under $100 because similar speakers like this are going for $200, $300. and this is not just under $100, but it's only $60 right now. I would get it now before they raise the price because this is a bargain. So I'll put the link in the description below. Put your comments if you have one. These are just really fun speakers. All right, bye-bye.